Think Straight teaches us that by changing our thoughts, we can improve our lives. According to the book, we have much more control over our thoughts than we realize. This book is for anyone who wants to bring change in their life. It can improve careers, relationships, and every aspect of life. Hello friends, welcome to Bookku. Today we're talking about the book Think Straight by Darius Foroux. Point 1. The power of thoughts. Your thoughts are unbelievably powerful in controlling your life. They not only affect your approach and emotions, but also influence the decisions you make and the reality you experience. Thoughts shape our reality in two ways. 1. Through neuroplasticity, our brain is constantly changing and reshaping itself based on new information and experiences. If you repeatedly think a certain way, your brain physically changes in response. For example, if you constantly tell yourself you will fail, your brain is less likely to create the neural pathways required for success. 2. By influencing actions, your thoughts can inspire your actions. If you believe you can achieve something, you're more likely to try. On the other hand, if you think you'll fail, you might not even try. The book gives the example of someone who fought cancer by repeatedly telling himself he was stronger than the disease, and another person who achieved business success by believing he was invincible. Point 2. Recognizing limiting beliefs. Often, our own thoughts prevent us from achieving success and happiness. These deep-rooted thoughts are called limiting beliefs. Ask yourself, do you often say, "I can't do this," or "this is too difficult"? Do you fear failure and avoid taking risks? Are you self-critical and downplay your successes? Do you constantly compare yourself with others and feel not enough? If you answered yes to any of these, you may need to identify and change these beliefs. Strategies include: challenge your thoughts, question your negative thoughts, and see if there's actual evidence behind them. Be kind to yourself. Talk to yourself as kindly as you would to a friend. Use positive affirmations. Remind yourself of your capabilities. Set small goals and achieve them. This boosts confidence and motivates you to aim higher. Point 3. The science of neuroplasticity. This is the brain's ability to change and adapt based on your thoughts and actions. The brain is not a fixed organ. It evolves through life in response to new experiences. This means you can train your brain to learn new things, break old habits, even change your thinking style. Learning new skills like a language, instrument, or hobby builds new neural connections. Changing your thoughts, replacing negative with positive thoughts reduces stress and builds a better mindset. Creating new habits, challenging but possible. Practicing something new leads to the formation of new neural pathways. Challenge your brain regularly with puzzles, new places, or books to enhance neuroplasticity. Point 4. Developing self-awareness. The first step to self-improvement is becoming more aware of your thoughts and emotions. This doesn't mean labeling them as good or bad, but observing them neutrally. Techniques to increase self-awareness: mindful meditation, journaling, recognizing and labeling emotions. The more aware you are, the more control you gain. The book emphasizes replacing negative thoughts with positive ones for better results. Point 5. Practicing gratitude and visualization. Focusing on the good things in life shifts your thoughts positively. Practice gratitude by writing down things you're thankful for daily, no matter how small. Being mindful of moments of gratitude, like a beautiful sunset or being healthy. Thanking people who do something nice for you, it strengthens relationships. Visualization is a powerful tool for achieving goals. Close your eyes and vividly imagine having achieved your goal. Feel the associated emotions like pride or happiness. Use those emotions as inspiration to act. Turn visualization into real steps and strategies to achieve your dreams. Point 6. Goal setting and achievement. To turn dreams into reality. Set clear goals. Overcome obstacles. Stay inspired. SMART goals should be specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, time-bound. Separate goals from vague desires. Example, I want to be fit is vague. I will lose 5 kilograms in 3 months is a clear goal. Write down your goals and keep them visible. Overcoming challenges. Identify obstacles early. Create a solid work plan with alternative paths. Stay flexible and adjust as needed. Stay motivated. Celebrate small wins. Think positively and avoid negative thoughts. Surround yourself with supportive, motivating people. Point 7. Building relationships. The book emphasizes the importance of meaningful relationships. How to improve relationships. Practice effective communication. Speak honestly and listen actively. Show empathy. Try to understand others' feelings, even if you disagree. Use positive body language, eye contact, open gestures. Handle conflicts calmly. Seek to understand before reacting. Find mutual solutions. Be open to compromise and forgiveness. Be kind and appreciative. Compliment and support your loved ones. Spend quality time together. Learn and grow as a team. Point 8. Productivity and time management. The book shares important strategies to enhance productivity. Prioritize tasks. Use the ABCD method. A. Important and urgent tasks. B. Important but not urgent. C. Less important. D. Not important or urgent can be eliminated. Avoid distractions. Silence your phone. Block social media. Work in a quiet environment. Use to-do lists and stay mindful. Work efficiently. Do one task at a time. Avoid multitasking. Take short breaks. Use automation tools. Apply Parkinson's law. Tasks often take less time than we think. Use the 2-minute rule. Do small tasks immediately. Other suggestions. Review your work regularly. Set and celebrate small goals. Ask for help when needed. Stay optimistic and positive. Point 9. Financial management. While the book doesn't focus directly on finances, it provides helpful principles. Make informed financial decisions. Set clear and measurable goals. Research options. Compare financial products like investments, insurance, and credit cards. Avoid emotional decisions. Think logically and weigh options before acting. Manage debt. Track your loans and develop a payoff plan. Save regularly. Even small savings add up over time. Invest wisely. Research mutual funds, stocks, and pick based on your risk level. Track your expenses. Know where your money is going. Be self-aware of your financial behavior. Take responsibility and learn from mistakes. Focus on long-term stability rather than quick profits.
Like, comment, and subscribe.